Big trees, they are long enough with many branches, but they are long enough, many branches, strong, not in one day. Each and every day is important to grow. Each and every day is important to nourish and flourish. Do you know what? One tree which is having enormous branches, one tree having a little branches has got a difference. What is difference? One tree has got a little branches, has got a little root in it, has got a weakened branches, weakened stem. They are very prone to fall down in adverse weather condition. But when the tree are grown up nicely with a root being flourished, stem being stronger, with a lot of branches, greeny leaf, fruits, then it is obviously having a confidence to stand still irrespective of the ups and downs of the weather condition comes. What is the difference? The main difference is stronger the root, the probability of standing high is long. Stronger the communication channel from various parts, stem, root, body, fruit, branches, leaf, the nourishment will be stronger. In the similar way, if you see weak tree has got a communication flow blockage, so they cannot get well nourishment in the leaf to stem, stem to root, and that's how they are not having enough confidence, enough courage to stand still and strong in the thunderstorm. Similarly, if you see a teamwork is the collection of individual which is really working hard to accomplish a goal. More transparency, more communication, more harmonization of the knowledge, more creativity, converting the learning to doing, doing to experiencing, experiencing to fault finding to getting wiser are having a greater milestone that makes a string stronger. Not only that, a tree provides a fruit, a tree provides a flower. That's the beauty. A tree provides the beautiful color leaf, even it falls, right? People are getting astonished. In the same manner, fruit is okay, but sweet fruit is super. Similarly, when a team performs, the performance is just okay, is not good. Performance with contributing more, creating something new horizon and adding value to a customer's life is quote unquote very important. Similarly, go beyond what we are expected to deliver. Deliver with passion. Have something interdisciplinary approach touched so that not only you will be focusing on your domain, rather your team will be thriving for doing extra to help, to support, to encourage, to collaborate, to coordinate, to cooperate, to get it done in a holistic manner. If you are able to do that, then really your performance like a strong tree will be growing good. Not only that, if you see the trees are in the forest, one rotten tree versus many good tree, rotten tree can have the nourishment either. One good tree, other rotten tree, then there is a high probability that good tree getting rotten. On the contradictory, it is your influence and skill, it is your communication skill, it is your skill to show the risk and provide the mitigating approach. If your team can do that, then really your team spirit will be high and your team performance will be really extraordinary, and you will be called even this is a new design or new disaster, and that's how the overall team performance will be converted from most ordinary to extraordinary, and the mindset will be winning oriented, result oriented, contribution oriented to make difference, to create difference and move on to the sustainable growth. Hope little tree concept and the team building concept you can understand. Follow this golden rule as a best practice guideline in your daily routine, and you can make the difference. Stay blessed.